friends, welcome to Poonam's classes. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am going to introduce rational number. I will just give the introductions of this chapter and I will cover this chapter in two videos of mine. So here, first of all, because it's a lengthy video, so I have to just split this video into two videos because one video was taking long time. So here, because I need to explain everything in details. So here, first thing is, what is a rational number? So a number expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, is called a integer. Okay friends, now you can see I have written few examples. 5 by minus 4, minus 8 by 15, minus 9 by minus 11, 4 by 9. Now you can tell me friends that ma'am, here 4 by 9 is written, but 4 by 9 we have studied that it's a fraction. So yes friends, I just want to clear your doubts that in fraction what happens, suppose here 4 by 9 I have written. In fraction, this 4 and 9, it is also written in the form of p by q, but here p and q is a natural number in fraction. But here you can see I have taken some negative numbers also. You can see here minus 9 by minus 11, here minus 8 by 15, and here 5 by minus 4. So you can see that here some numbers are negative. So this is only the difference. Here in rational numbers, we can take the integers in the form of p by q. Basically, we can say that p and q are integers here, and in fraction, it's a natural number or whole number, whatever we say. Now here, you can ask, some other question may arise in your mind. Ma'am, can we say 0 as a rational number? Definitely, we can say 0 as a rational number. Why? Because if no denominator is mentioned, we can write 0 as 0 by 1. So here friends, we can see that it is also in the form of p by q, okay, where p is 0 and q is 1. So here it is also written in the form of p by q. So yes, we can say that 0 is a rational number. Now one more thing can come in your mind, but if I write 1 by 0, so can we say this as a rational number? No, we cannot say, because it is clearly mentioned here and q should not be equal to 0. Here it means that it is in the form of p by q. So here the denominator, that is the q part, should never be equal to 0, because we cannot divide any number by 0. It is named as not defined. We can call it as not defined. Okay friends, now coming to the next topic, that is equivalent rational number. So here, if a numerator and denominator of a rational number are multiplied or divided by the same non-zero number, integer, we get a rational number which is said to be equivalent to the given rational number. Now here also I have taken two examples. You can see first is minus 5 by 8 and the second is minus 9 by 12. In minus 5 by 8, as I told, that we need to multiply the same numerator and the denominator with the same non-zero number. So I have here multiplied with 4. You can multiply with 2 also, with 3 also. Any number you can multiply, but it should be same. Just you have to take care in mind that the number which you are multiplying in the denominator, that same number you need to multiply in the numerator as well. So here it is given 8 into 4, right? And here it is given minus 5 into 4, which is equal to minus 20 by 32. Okay. So here we can see minus 5 by 8 and minus 20 by 32. They both are equivalent rational number. Why? Because if we cancel minus 20 by 32, you can see friends, I will just cancel it with 2. If I will just cancel with 2, we will get minus 10 by 16. Again, I need to cancel it. So we are getting minus 5 by 8. 5 2s are 10 and 5 2s are 10 and 2 8s are 16. So here we are getting the same rational number. So it says that minus 5 by 8 and minus 20 by 32 both are equivalent rational number. Now coming to the same thing we can do by dividing the same non-zero number. Here you can see minus 9 by 12 I have divided with same non-zero number, that is 3. So if I have divided minus 9 by 3, I am getting minus 3. If I am dividing 12 by 3, I am getting 4. So here we can say that minus 9 by 12 and minus 3 by 4 both are equivalent rational number. Now coming to the positive and negative rational number. Next topic is positive and negative rational number. Basically, see, when the numerator and the denominator both have the same sign, it is called a positive rational number. Okay, so we can take one example like 2 by 3 and minus 2 by minus 3. So here minus 2 by 3 and 2 by 3, you can see friends, both are having the same sign. Okay, here both are positive and here both are negative. So it's having the same sign. But here in case of negative rational number, we can see, let me show you. In case of negative rational number, we can see either the denominator is negative or the numerator is negative. So here we are having 3 by minus 5 and minus 5 by 11. So in other words, we can say that the rational number p by q is positive only when p and q have the same sign, and negative if p and q both have unlike sign, or we can say a different sign. So coming to the next topic, that is standard form of a rational number. A rational number is said to be in standard form if its denominator is a positive integer and numerator and denominator do not have any common factor other than 1. Now you can see friends, it's a very easy topic. You must have read like simplest forms, lowest forms and standard form. All are same, right? So here what we need to do here, basically you can see minus 16 by 20 it's given. We need to cancel these numbers with the same table. Like here we have to choose one number in whose table both the numbers should come. Now 16 and 20, you can see that these two numbers comes in the table of 2. So 2 8s are 16 and 2 10s are 20. So here it is coming minus 8 by 10. Now again you can see 8 and 10 both are again divisible by 2. Okay, it comes in the table of 2. So again we will divide both the numbers by 2. So it is coming minus 4 by 5. So here minus 4 by 5, is there any factor common to them? No, we cannot say any factor common to them. So here minus 4 by 5 is the standard form. Now here you can see in the next example it's given minus 28 by 49. You can see friends, though both the numbers is divisible by 7. So here 7 4s are 28 and 7 7s are 49. So here we are getting minus 4 by 7. Now one thing can come into your mind, like if both the numbers are negative, then in that case what we need to do? Numerator also negative and denominator also negative. In that case what you will do friends, you will just cancel the negative signs. Minus minus will get cancelled. So here 7 4s are 28 and 7 7s are 49. So finally we are having 4 by 7, which is the standard form of a rational number. Now coming to the next topic, that is comparison of rational number. How we are going to do it? See here. First we need to follow some steps. Here first write the given rational number so that the denominators are positive. Here you can get a question like, here you may be getting like one rational number has been given, 2 by minus 3. So how you will, first thing you need to make the denominators that is should be positive. Okay, it should be positive. So here, so minus 3, what I will do, I will just multiply both the numerator and the denominator with this minus 1. So when I will multiply minus 3 into minus 1, we will get 3, and when we will multiply 2 with minus 1, we are getting minus 2. Then the next thing, we need to find the LCM of the positive denominators of the given rational number. After making the denominator positive, we need to find out the LCM of them. Okay. After this, we have to make the denominators of each of the two rational numbers as LCM so obtained so that common denominators are formed. In order to make the common denominators, we have to just look over to the LCM part and we have to make the denominators equal to the LCM. Now here we need to compare the numerators of the rational number. Now as we have the common denominator, so we can easily compare the numerator and tell which is greater. Okay, so here I have taken one example to explain you in a more better way. So here friends, you can see example. It's given 4 by 7 and 7 by 9. So the first process we need to follow is we have to, actually it is given a positive rational number only, but if in case if it is a negative rational number, like if the denominators are negative, we have to first make it positive. Here it's a positive rational number. Now what I will do, I'll first take the LCM of 7 and 9. It is coming 63. So now 7 I need to multiply with 9 to get 63. So the same number, that 9 should be multiplied with 4. Okay. So here we are getting 4 9s are 36 and 9 7s are 63. So here we are getting 36 by 63. Here we can see friends, here what we will multiply with 9 to get 63? Obviously 7. So if we are multiplying in the denominator with 7, we need to multiply in the numerator also with 7. So here we are getting 49 by 63. Now you can see, now as we got the same denominator, so we need to compare the numerator part. Here we can see friends that out of this 36 and 49, which is greater? 49 is greater. So we can finally write that 7 by 9 is greater than 4 by 7. Now here I am coming to the next part, that arrange the following rational numbers in ascending order. So these types of questions generally we get in class 7th. So here it's given, some rational numbers are given. So you can see friends that some are negative rational numbers and some are positive rational numbers. Okay, like 3 by 8 is a positive, minus 5 by 4 is a negative, minus 11 by 60 minus 6 is minus 11 by minus 6 is a positive rational number, and 15 by minus 24 is a negative rational number. But here what you need to see here, first what is the first step that we need to follow here? We have to make the denominators positive. Okay, so how we are going to do it? See, minus 5 by 4 we don't have to change, it will be as it is. 3 by 8 we don't have to change. Now I told you that minus, if we have both the minus in the numerator also and in the denominator, it's a positive rational number, we will just cancel this minus minus and it will be 11 by 6. And here in the last one it is 15 by minus 24. So we just have to shift the numerator in the denominator sign, that is negative, in the numerator side, that will become minus 15 by 24. Now the next step what we need to follow is we have to find the LCM of the denominators. So here it is given 4, 8, 6 and 24. We have found out the LCM and we got 24 as the LCM. Now we need to express each rational number with a common denominator as obtained in step 2, that is 24. I have to make the denominators equal to 24. So what I need to multiply here? In 4, 6. So obviously the same steps we need to follow. Here minus 5 also with 6. So we are finally getting minus 30 by 24. Here what I will multiply with 8 to get 24? Obviously 3. So I need to multiply 3 here also. So we are getting 9 by 24. Here what I will multiply with 6 to get 24? Obviously 4. So 6 into 4 will give us 24. 11. Same number I need to multiply 11 to 4 will give us 44. Now the next one, minus 15 into 1, 24 into 1, it will be give us minus 15 by 24. Now the next step what we need to follow is we need to arrange the numerators, that is the integer. You can see it is minus, it's a negative integer, it's a positive integer, it's a positive integer, it's a negative integer. So we have to arrange the numerators, that is the integers, in ascending order. So the first is minus 30, minus 15, 9 and 44. Friends, here you can see I have written minus 30. As in integers, what happens? The smaller number with a negative sign is always greater than the bigger number with a negative sign. So here minus 30 is smaller than minus 15. So minus 30, minus 15, 9 and 44. Now we need to write the rational number here. It will be minus 30 by 24. Then we are getting minus 15 by 24. 9 by 24 and 44 by 24. Now we need to write the equivalent rational number, that is minus 5 by 4, minus 15 by 24, 3 by 8 and minus 11 by minus 6. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching.